Hi, Roman Lewczuk here on how to renovate a house. Okay, so we decided to go to plan B, which plan B to renovate this house is we're going to put a big addition on the back of the house. Basically, a big den and a big outdoor covered living space, which is really popular right now. So first thing we have to do is make room for the foundation and the forming and the excavating we got to do. So there's a lot of trees that were really close to the house. They should have been taken down a long time ago because they're so close to the house. They're a little dangerous. So that's what we're doing right now. So let's just watch the guys do their thing and cut the trees down. And make sure you get professionals to do it that are well bonded, because believe me, this is a job that you want to make sure that you have legitimate contractors and professionals doing it like we do. Great. Come over here, Mike. Mike, you can swing this way. All right, so let's film over here, Mike. Okay, come over here. All right, so the lumberjacks or the tree removal guys, I'm not really sure what the crazy tree climbing guys, I'm not really too sure what the proper professional name is for the trade that they're actually doing. I guess lumberjack would be the best one. All right, so they've got a crane here, and what you'll see when they're climbing the tree, which is really cool, once they get up there and how they cut it down is the crane, the lumberjack will take the line from the crane, put it over, tie it into a section above him. So then the crane, he'll tell the crane driver to add tension to the line, and then he'll climb down and cut the tree, and then that tension it's already grabbing the tree, will release once he's cut it, and he'll take it away, and then they'll bring it back down and chop it up and bring it into the chopper. Watch yourself here, Mike. There's a piece of lumber moving. All right, so we're going to go ahead and watch him cut down another section of tree and go from there. Okay, so as you can see, he's put the crane cable on the top of the tree, and the crane now has tension on the tree itself. So when he cuts it, it already has tension on it, so it's not going to drop off and drop down. So that's the way they just chop the tree down and move it off the site. All right, so we're off to the next stage. In this case, we're going to call for the locates before we excavate, and we're going to pick up our permit soon, so we'll see you at the next stage.